Ness-ana TV.
Hello boys and girls, welcome back to the class. Today we'll be learning time. Time. We'll be learning how to tell the time. Telling the time. Can you see that? And we can tell the time using a clock or wrist watch. Clock or wrist watch. Can you see the numbers in the clock? Or we can use mommy and daddy's phone. This is the seconds hand. Seconds hand. Minute hand. Minute hand. Can you see that? And this is the hour hand. Hour hand. And the clock tells us when it is a.m. Morning. Morning. And we can also know when it is p.m. Afternoon, evening, and night. We have some numbers in a clock. Can you see the numbers? Alright, let's count. 1, 2. Can you see the numbers? 3, 4, 5. Number 6, 7, 8. Can you see that? And the number 9. 10. 11. And 12. We have the numbers 1 to 12 in a clock. Can you see that? 1 to 12. Very good. You've done a great job. Let's take it again. Remember, we are learning the time, how to tell the time. And we tell the time using our clock or wrist watch. Clock or wrist watch. And the tiny slim thin hand is the seconds hand. The black and the big one and the long one is the minute hand. The short one is the hour hand. Can you see that? The hour hand. And the clock helps us to know when it is a.m. Morning. Morning. p.m. Afternoon, evening, and night. p.m. And we have some numbers in our clock from 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Now, what is the time? Can you see that? This is what we'll be learning in our next class. Very good. You've done a great job. See you next time. Bye.
Ness-ana